After the recent visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the BJP has sent yet another of its party members to visit the state of Meghalaya. This time it was the National General Secretary Arun Singh who had come to strengthen the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state. Speaking to the media, Arun Singh stated that the Congress under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi has failed and alleged that, apart from having no ideology in itself to lead the nation, the party has been engaging in negative and destructive politics while going against the Modi government's implementation of various developmental projects across the country.
The Congress leadership is totally failed. Nobody believes now the leadership under the Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress it has no ideology itself. They are taking U-turn. Congress is taking U-turn every time, and for the sake of they are opposing for everything, even for the good thing that the Modi ji is doing. The Congress party is opposing. हर चीज़ को कांग्रेस अपोज ही कर रही है, and the Congress is doing all negative or destructive politics nowadays. The people of the country, they are watching, and if the leadership is not good, definitely the party cannot grow in the state. So nobody has the faith in the leadership of the Rahul Gandhi. That's why I say that in Meghalaya the Congress will be wiped out. It is being wiped out from most of the states. Now it is a turn of the Meghalaya. From here also the Congress will be wiped out, and BJP will take a place, and most of the seats the BJP will win where the Congress is there.
When asked about the infighting within the party, Arjun Singh, who is also the Rajya Sabha MP from Uttar Pradesh, said that the allegations are baseless, and in fact he informed that from day to day the BJP has been trying to strengthen its base in every state.
BJP, I say only one thing: the BJP is one. There is only one good, only the BJP. There is no infighting. Everyone is working along with